Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this awesome zoom through animation that can also be used as an intro in your videos. This animation adds a sleek professional look to your videos, so without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, as usual, open Capcut. We'll start by creating a text layer. Head over to the text option, click create text and name it anything you like. Make sure the font is bold, because this animation works best with something strong and eye-catching. I'll be using this. Next, adjust the size of your text. You can scale it to fit the frame based on your project. Once done, arrange the text layer to last as long as you need for the animation duration. Now, scroll down to the scale option under the Scale Transform tab. This is where we'll add the zoom animation. Set a keyframe at the beginning of the text layer. Then move to the end of the layer and set another keyframe, increasing the scale to your desired size. This will create that smooth zoom animation. Once you're happy with the animation, go ahead and export the text animation as a video file. After exporting, delete the text layer from your timeline, as we'll use the exported video file instead. Now import the video we just exported back into Capcut, and also drag in the clip you want to use as the background. This can be any video or image you like. Position the exported text layer above the background clip and adjust the lengths of both clips to match perfectly. Here's where the magic happens. With the text layer selected, go to the Basic tab and scroll down to Blend. Change the blend mode to multiply. This instantly gives the text that glassy, transparent effect, making it look like it's part of the background to smooth things out. You can add a zoom animation at the end of the video. Go to the out panel and apply a zoom out animation to the text of background layer. This gives the entire effect a professional, polished look, and remember, you can always experiment with other effects, like adding a blur or adjusting opacity to give it a unique touch. Play around with different elements to make it your own, and there you have it. Your zoom through animation is ready, and you can now use this as an intro or transition in your edits. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome Capcut tutorials. See you in the next one.